Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today I'm sharing two adorable Christmas ornaments. Here's a quick peek at the supplies we'll be using today. Fawn's Joy to All, Over the Mountain Borders Stamps and Dies, and Perfectly Wicked, as well as pattern paper from the Spellbinders Christmas Tradition collection. As always, I'll have all the links in the description box below. Let's get started. I'm going to start by stamping all the images with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on alcohol-friendly cardstock. Today we're going to be using Spectrum Noir TriBlend markers. I love these markers because they've got all the blends you need in one pen, and it takes all the guesswork out of color combinations. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll go in and add highlights if necessary. This tree is slightly larger than an average lawn fawn image. Once I've applied the first layer of color, I'm going to go in and add highlights by following the branch lines on the tree. Then I can keep adding layers of color until I'm happy with the blend. For a little extra detail, I like to add a bit of blush and freckles using my multi-liner pen to all of our characters. Now that all the images are colored, we can move on to the background of our shaker ornament. To create a winter night sky, I'm going to ink blend Prize Ribbon, Mermaid Lagoon, and Tumble Glass. For an added effect, I'm going to react the ink using my water pen and paper towel. Next, it's time to assemble all the pieces together. To create our shaker ornament, I die cut two 3-inch circles using pattern paper and a stronger white cardstock so it's sturdy, and I'm going to adhere them together. Now that we have our base, I'm going to add our winter night sky and create our scene. Then I'm going to cut a frame using the same pattern paper design to hide the adhesive on the shaker dome. With everything in place, let it snow. While I was creating this live, we had a bit of a blizzard on our hands. The best way to avoid this in the future is to set your faux snow on a glass plate and use a metal spoon when adding it to the shaker dome. Otherwise, you'll have a static reaction with plastic on plastic. Yay, science! I learn something new every day. To create our second ornament, I'm going to take one of our trees and add a score line down the center using my bone folder to get a nice crisp edge. Before I attach the scored tree to the base, I'm going to carefully just arrange where I would like the star and the cat. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to go ahead and attach the scored tree using Lawn Fawn liquid glue. And all that's left is trimming the tree and finishing off our scene. And just like that, we have two keepsake ornaments. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.